This video will show you how to use the program Auto Draw to create your own images and how to import them into Pixlr so you can get rid of the background and save them for using in your animations. The website is called Auto Draw. It'll also probably be in your Google Classroom. And the black pencil in the background is the Auto Draw. You have the regular tools, like the regular drawing tool, and the text tool, and the fill tool, and the shape tool. If you want to change the color, you click on the color tool. But the Auto Draw is the one that's going to try to figure out what you're drawing using artificial intelligence and give you items that you can click on. And so for people like me who are horrible drawers, this is great. So pick your color from the colors. So I pick black. And then you start to draw what you want. And I'm going to draw a cat. So here's my circle. And notice at the top, it's giving me these suggestions for what it thinks it is. Is it a potato? Is it a moon? Is it another moon? Is it some weird planet? Is it a cloud? So see how I'm clicking on those different items? So if there's one that you want, like this tomato or the smaller tomato, great. But if these aren't anything that you want, you can delete this and start drawing again. Because once you start to draw, and if you click on the different items, you can't get back your original item. You can change to any of the choices, but you can select and then click on the item in the picture and hit the trash can at the bottom and start drawing again. So here I am drawing my cat. So I'm going to do my head and I'm going to try my ears. As you can see right now, it's trying to be a circle. Is it a drum? What is it? Is it a pumpkin? Oh, as I connected, oh, look, there's some cats. So you can look up and I'm like, do I like any of these cats? Oh, maybe I just want this cat head. Because remember, once you click, you're stuck with the cat. So great, I have my cat. Now, maybe if I want to fill in some of my cat color, I can click the fill, and now look, I can fill in and make my cat a purple cat. So if I'm happy, now I'm going to be ready and I can download it. Click in the upper corner where you see the menu. You always see 3 lines in a row, it's a menu, or 3 dots in a row, it's a menu. Click on it and pick download. It will download to your Chromebook. You'll see the little box in the corner. You won't see it because my computer is different than yours. And then it'll be download. And you'll be able to open it in other programs. But there's all this white background, which when you bring it into an animation program, the white's going to stick there. So let's get rid of the white. So we're going to use a photo editing program called Pixlr. It's probably in your Google Classroom. Photo Editor Pixlr. When we get there, we're going to click on Open Image, and we're going to open the cat that we drew. So it's called Auto Draw. That's how Auto Draw things save. Auto Draw and the date. There's my cat. I open up my cat, and now I want to get rid of all that white around it because I don't want the white in my animation. So I'm going to use what's called the Magic Wand tool. First, over on Layers on the right, I'm going to unlock the background by double-clicking on the lock icon, and it will just disappear. Then I'm going to go over to my Magic Wand tool. It's called Wand Select. It will pick up any color and any color that's next to it that's similar. So if I click on the white, it's going to select all that white, and you can see the marching ants on the border of the image and the border of the cat. Now all I have to do is click the backspace button, and all the white goes away. When you see checkerboards like this in the background, that means the background is transparent, not checkerboard. So that's what you're looking for. And you can tell. So if I want to get rid of the white in my ears, I could click inside the ear and click clear. Click inside the other, clear. Click inside the nose, clear. Now that I get rid of all the white that I wanted, I'm going to save this picture. Remember, that was the Wand Select tool. So I'm going to save the picture, and it's going to be saved as a PNG file. The difference between PNG and JPEG is PNG does not have the background. Look what happens when I click on JPEG. The white background comes back, and that's not what we want. So you want to make sure that you are clicked on PNG before you download. Save it, something besides Auto Draw. I'm just going to call it cat so I know. And now I'm going to download it. Now I'm ready to put it into any animation program I wanted. So if I was using Wix, I could go to Wix and I could go to my asset library and upload the asset. So I'm looking for the cat, open it up. And now if I want to use my cat, I can click the frame that I want to be in and add it to the canvas and click it. And now my cat is in there. I can even grab from the sides or find the little selection buttons all the way in the corner and drag in and resize my cat so it's a better size. Now, if I want to put into Google Slides, all I have to do is go back to Insert, go to Image, and I'm going to upload it from the computer because that's where it's saved. I'll wait. There's my cat. Open it up, and there's my cat. And that's how you use Auto Draw to make images.